Good morning to one and all. Today my topic is land resources and my name is Bogala Vinod Reddy and my section from D section and my branch is ECE and today's subject is chemistry. Today my topic goes to land resources, the most important natural resources upon which all human activities is based since time immemorials in land. A land resource is our basic resources. Throughout history, we have to draw the most of our sustenance and most of our fuels, clothing, and the shelter from the land. It is useful to use the source of a food as a place to live, work, and play. It is the productive economics factors in the agriculture, forestry, and grazing, fishing, and mining. It is consideration of the foundation of the social prestiges and the basic of wealth and political powers, and the land degradations. Man's progressive towards the development has, however, considerably damaged our land resources, based probably since the dawn of a civilization. Out of total land area, as many as 175 million acres suffer from the degradation. Land degradation is caused largely by the soil erosion, but also by water logging and the expensive salinity. The most sincere threats to the land is pursued by the deforestation. Counted. This exponentially growing the population in the country has placed the immense pressure on the dwelling land and resources, engaging the very several and the BAM as well. The high degree of the degradation of existing land resources, the change in the climate, and the increase in the diversion of a land from the agriculture to non-agriculture uses of the degradation problems. Consequently, the productivity of the land has suffered to the great extent to something behind the repair and per the capita. Urban land is also decreasing with the progress of a time. India, being a large aggressive society, has therefore an enormous task to meet the growing of the demands for the food, fuel, fiber, together with the environmental security for its people in the country. Yes. Soil erosion. Soil erosion is the major deforestation and degradation of the land resources. The topsoil is precious to all living beings. The topsoil is being continuously eroded by the different natural organs like air and water. Accelerated the erosion is due to the overgrazing, deforestation, and mining. Two types of agents causes soil erosion: water and the wind. Water induced erosion. There are six types. They are the sheet erosion, rill erosion, grillis or gilly erosion, slip erosion, steam and bank erosion. This is the rill erosion. See is the picture of erosion of land resources and other. Grillis are the grillis are the larger than the hills and cannot be fixed by the tillage. Gully erosion is an advantageous state of the rill erosion, just as the rills are often of the results of the sheet erosion. And wind erosion. Wind erosion is unlike the water cannot be divided with two distinct types. Surface texture is the best key to the wind erosion hazard potential. It is responsible for the three types of soil movements. There are saltation, suspension, surface drift, and conservational till farming. Tillage is the agriculture preparation of the soil by mechanical aggregates of various types such as the drilling, stilling, and overtuning. Example for the human pouring drilling method. Examples: using hand tools including the shovel, pricking, mattock work, hoeing, and ranking. Examples of draft animal powdering or the mechanized work include and the soil conservation particles practices. Following the types of practices are employed: the conservation, still farming, and contour farming, and the terracing, and the trip cropping, alley cropping, wind breaks or shuttle belts. There are the two pictures of about the contour farming and the terrific farming, where the contour farming on gentle slopes, horizontal rows of the plants, and the help show down runout, where the terracing farming is done on step slope, extremely efficient of a permit runoff and the good in high rainfalls area. This process is used to not the soil erosion during the rainfalls and others. Where there are another two, alley cropping is planting beside of some trees, and another crop is planting and the strip cropping. Alternate strip cropping will grazes or graze legumes mixtures. Runoff of retained by the strip cover also helps in the nitrogen fixing. Where shelter belts to the wind breaks and the water logging and salinity. Results of expensive irrigation, poor space filled with water, roots cannot be broken, make continuous columns with the water. When evaporates leaves behind a white crust of salt, extremely high sodium quality, precious land resources is wasted. Where the desertification process of conversion of a productive land as a arid or semi-arid lands. 10 to 25% of drops of productive in the moderate desertifications. More than 50 is seriously desertification. Creates a gullies and sand dunes that leads to the depletion of the groundwater sanitation. Causes of the deforestation, overgrazing and mining. Where the area including the Saharans, Africa, Middle East and Western Asia, part of the Central and South Africa, domino effects, and the widespread use and the conservation of natural resources. Most important that everyone gets the same share. Currently, more developed countries MDCs are the using the more than less development countries LDCs, where the MDCs has less population but use more and more polluted more, and the less less developed countries or LDCs have more population but use less and pollute less. Conservation of natural resources is necessary. Individual role of the most important. And thank you for listening to me. Okay, thank you.